Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to do what is in my freezer. As you can see, this is the door to my freezer, and I just wanted to highlight a few things. First, when the fridge people tell you that they give you 10 years warranty, they actually mean just the smart inverter compressor. It's the only one with 10 years. The rest of the fridge is, for LG is 2 years. For Samsung, I think it's a year. I'm not so sure, but it is around there. So the other thing is, the more the stars, the more the savings. So if you find a fridge with more stars here, it actually saves you more. Yeah, I don't want to talk much about it because today it's what is in the freezer. So let's get in. So as you can see, this is my freezer. It's empty. So let's load it. Let's get into the arrangement. So I have black beans, jahe. Otherwise, they are also called lab beans. So I will put the 2 packets there so that I know on that end is jahe. Then I have githeri. Githeri is beans and maize. So I'll put them there. I think I had 2 packs, so I'll put the 2 packs there on that side. Okay, tip number 1. I use clear container so that I don't start opening the container to check which container has what. As you can see, you can see what is in the containers. So that's the thing. That's the reason I use clear containers. So let's first put that one there. So the next thing is we have goat leg. You can put them there. The next thing we have chicken wings. Okay, I'll put white meat on one side. So this is chicken wings on one side. This is goat red meat on one side. On the other side, then in the middle here, I'll put the ice cubes. So it is always recommended that you buy this fridge which has this kind of ice cubes, unless ice cube holder, unless you are into making ice cream. If you buy the fridge with the ice maker, it takes a whole lot of space. When I was shopping for fridge, actually I wanted that one which has a fridge, an ice cream maker, but I was advised against it because it just takes up space. The freezer is not so big. Then you add other things in the freezer, then which you don't use. How often do you use ice cubes? Yeah, so that's why I chose this one. So the other one is dengu, lentils. So I'll put them there. Then we have some fillets, fish fillet. So I'll put them at the bottom of the chicken because the container is bigger. Then we have bacon. I'll put it there. Then we have pork. There has always been a debate whether pork is white or red meat. What do you think it is? Comment down below. Then we have some mincemeat. The cling film has come out, so I'll fix it. This is for 1 package. Then we have a smaller pack here that there's a recipe I wanted to try. That's why it is in the small pack. So I'll just put it at the door. Then we have hot dogs. I hope you can see we have hot dogs. I'll also put them at the door. Yeah, I'll show you. The next thing is we have minji. So green peas, minji. Then we have another pack. I'll also put it at the door because my fridge is almost full. And then we also have some githeri. I'll also put it at the door so that whatever is in a bigger container. So in this container we have sausages. So this is how I package my sausages. So if you eat 4 as a family, you wrap them with the cling film, then you put them in a container. So when you're using, you remove the previous night so that you avoid the thawing and then putting it back to the freezer. Yeah, that one is taking so much space, so I'll get space for it. But since they are almost finished, I can even change this to a smaller container. Yeah, so I've decided to change this small package to here so that they can fit. Then I put my mincemeat, I put the cling, so I put it here, and then I put the ice cubes on top. So imagine if you had the fridge with a nice ice cream maker. Then I've reduced the size of the container with sausages because they're almost finished. And of course now I'll put this at the door. So I think we are done with the freezer. So let me show you. So we have the white meat here, the red meat here, sorry. All the red meats are there, here in this corner. Then we have more here because now I didn't want to crowd here. I have more here, and then I have my githeri here. I have my black beans. Oh, I added another package. Black beans, I have 3 packages. Even if people say that they are sold in hardwares, I still love them. So I have my black beans, 3 packets. And then we have the white meat. We have the lentils, dengu. And then at the door, we have minjis, green peas, and a small pack of githeri. And we have the sausages and the hot dogs. I like them upright, so, and the hot dogs. Yeah, and basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have tips on how I can arrange better, let me know. Comment down below. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep it here for more videos on a weekly basis. Kindly, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified every time we post a video. And if you are a returning subscriber or viewer, thank you so much for your continued support. We value you. Thank you.